back to Texas Mommy. Today what we are doing is we're going to make some good old-fashioned keto taco soup because, hey, it's cold outside, and even though you can have some keto chili, which don't worry, I'll be coming at y'all with that recipe soon, guys, we're going to go ahead and make some taco soup today. So make sure you go ahead and stick around. That way you will not miss out on this good old recipe, guys. Okay guys, so before we go ahead and get in the video, I did want to remind you guys, if you've never seen me before, my name is Amanda, and of course you're on Texas Mommy, and what I do is keto videos, cleaning videos, recipe videos, lifestyle videos in general, and occasional mommy videos as well. So don't forget also to go check out all of my social networking that you can come follow me on. So I'll have my Instagram right here. My Facebook will be right above me, guys. And also, let's go ahead and go over all these ingredients that we will be using so that we can get started on cooking, guys. So, of course, you're going to go ahead and need some ground beef. So, I have some ground beef right here. You're going to need a block of cream cheese, and I kind of already opened mine, so it's a little messy. But it is, of course, the Challenger's cream cheese. And then you'll need, a lot of people do have a recipe for keto taco seasoning. I myself do not have it, so I'm just going to go ahead and just use this McCormick original taco seasoning mix right here, guys, which I know it does have less than 1 gram of sugar, so I don't know, it doesn't seem like it would be that bad for me. But if you feel more comfortable going ahead and using a keto-friendly taco seasoning, I would recommend doing that if you're not comfortable with this. It does ask for some garlic, but I do not have garlic, so we're going to go ahead and go with the garlic powder for our seasoning. Then we have 2 cans of the diced tomatoes with green chili, so pretty much this is also known as rotel. I just had these in my pantry, so I didn't see the need to go ahead and go buy more. So I just have our good old Hill Country Farm from none other than HEB. Right here, I have 2 cans of it that we're going to be putting in here. I have 1 onion, and then of course we got some salt and pepper, and then you're going to need 4 cups of beef broth. So I just grabbed the HEB beef broth right here, guys. So like I said, it's a pretty easy recipe. It's really simple ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to move to the stove top, guys, because what we need to do is actually brown our hamburger meat and add in our onion seasoning. And after we do that, then we're just going to kind of dump everything into our wonderful crock pot, because this is a crock pot dinner, guys. And we're going to cook it in our crock pot. Either you can cook it on low for 4 hours or on high for 2 hours. So it just depends what time you're looking at. I'm not quite sure yet what time I will be cooking mine at. I will actually let you guys know once we get there. So let's go ahead and move to the stovetop. That way we can go ahead and get this hamburger meat nice and browned and add in some onion seasoning to that. Well, my bad, guys, because I'm always messing up on here with y'all. Add in some garlic seasoning, since I didn't have the garlic, with the onion and the hamburger meat. So let's move to the stovetop, guys. Okay, guys, so now that we've already cut our onion, we're going to turn this fire on. And I promise you this pan is not dirty. It's just kind of like stained. So, and also thank goodness you can't see me because I just cut all this onion, guys, and my eyes are extremely watery. So we're going to go ahead and let our pan warm up here. And then we're going to go ahead and put our onion in and our hamburger meat along with the garlic powder. I keep calling it onion powder, guys. Along with the garlic powder. And we're going to get our hamburger meat nice and browned, mixed in with the onion, so that we can go ahead and toss that into the crock pot. Okay guys, so now that you can see, majority of my onion is nice and brown. So we're going to go ahead and add in our hamburger meat. my meat is already all browned. Our onions are cooked through. It did say just to brown your meat, and one thing I would recommend, if you are not crazy about big chunks of onion, kind of like what I cut up here, then you might want to go ahead and just, you know, cut it even smaller, you know, dice it up really fine. But like I said, this is just how I do it. My husband likes onions. Some days I do, some days I don't. It all depends what it's in. So we're going to go ahead and move to the crock pot now, guys. That way we can get this going. Okay, guys, so what I actually did, as you saw, I do have my vegetable oil out right here, guys. So I went ahead and already sprayed this. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get our hamburger meat and transport it over here. So be careful when you do this because your pan is gonna be hot because you did, again, you know, just cooking it. On high for the 2 hours. That way I make sure that it's completely done before my husband gets home from work. So as you can see, we just mixed it. It's plugged in. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid on it, guys, and we're gonna put it on high, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the timer for 2 hours, and next time I see you guys, we'll have some keto taco soup ready to eat. Okay, guys, so it's been well over our amount of time. I've actually been having this sit on warm. So that way I wanted to make sure that the cream cheese had completely melted. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and take the lid off. So this is what it looks like, guys. And you can see I mean, it's the smell of taco. The cheese has finally melted. So this is what it looks like, guys. So let's go ahead and serve it up. That way you can see how it is in a bowl. Okay, guys, so this is it right here. This is dinner tonight. As you can see, I added some cheese and I added some jalapenos on top just to give it a little kick in the spicing section. And pretty much this is just a taco soup, guys. So anything you would add to a regular taco, you can add to this soup. So as you can see here, guys, with the really good close-up, you know, you can see the meat, the cheese, you know, everything, the onion, everything, the cream cheese, that is the rotel you see over there. Everything is in here, guys. So it's pretty much like you're just eating a taco in a bowl. Okay, guys, so that was it. That was our dinner for tonight. Like I said, you know, it's really simple. As you saw, all we had to do is, you know, brown some hamburger meat with onion. And if you have garlic, that would be the time that you want to brown that all together. Chunk it in your crock pot, and either you cook it on low for 4 hours, on high on 2 hours, and it's that simple, guys. It's a keto-friendly meal that you could especially enjoy when it's cold outside, which I know right now it actually is really cold over here where I'm at, and I know at other places where I have some friends live, it's actually even colder over there. So this is just one of these, you know, comfort soups that you can eat that is going to taste great and you're going to enjoy. So if this is something that you like, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to go check out my Instagram, which is right here. My Facebook, which will be right above me. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.